Maka jual tam kan jual maka. Wow. Dekisan maka.
Nicely taken. What a beautiful save from the goalkeeper of DDS.
Maka yang JCB maka.
What a shot it was.
Oh, jual. JCB team. Yang ke Don Bosco Agartala.
You have not done duplicate.
Baca. Tahun ini matching JCB versus Don Bosco Agartala. Nah itu nih sampai. Saring nih last match. Sampai nih kena. Ready. Start enggak? Nah itu nih sampai ini. Oh, hasil hukum le. Oh, tiketnya hasil hukum. Yang Don Bosco Agartala langsung yak ngobol. Yang JCB song yak ngo, tam kena JCB song.
Nice clearance, better defender of Don Bosco.
Yang JCB wo jual betul.
It was a beautiful shot. It's a nice pass.
Oh, chance.
Anything can happen.
Chance maka. Oh. Tam kena hanya Oh, yang nanya support kanya orang tadi. Ana JCB song yak ngo. Tam kena. Don Bosco Agartala tim yak ngobol. Out. Dia ni yak ngo tam kena.
Beautifully flicked. Very cool and calm.
Maka jual tam kena jual maka. Wow. Dekisan maka. Kala jomong itu ngomong na sawo ina reng tini JCB dah naga yang Don Bosco Agartala dah naga na.
It's a nice pass. Another one. Just number 12 JCB. They have to build a wall, a great wall of China, like sacrificing their body just to protect the team.
Joel ni kailan ko na podo na gol tangpro kick khai gol khai marok tauna jawar tam khai ban
Nicely cleared.
ajeng gol seng kamu tajeng go hai JCB song yakung go JCB song yakung tam khane kana oh hapka oh kana oh hapka oh golongka mau kaham kenan ka gol khair ka
JCB got into the semi-final against 12 or 8 members. Not 12, but 8 members. It's a record breaking. Don Bosco couldn't be taking it so lightly.
Tong nai di, ane tam khaiman sab gol khaiman JCB agrika. Ane na doa.
A different kind of football strategy. Another one.
Ane ma khoyang JCB song ma khowa chan.
JCB again into the pitch.
Oh, sagade tangka.
Shot out of target. My God.
Gorom chale dongo. Ane hai nai di, tamong.
This is another opportunity. Bhagat mein padega Don Bosco. You need to clear as early as possible. You cannot be dribbling. Beautiful Joseph Wick, beautiful pass, another beautiful pass, nicely defended by the defender of the years. Nicely taken.
Ane hai ma khowa JCB song tam khane kana.
Another one. Just number 3. Just please. This is opportunity for DBS. It's a simple mistake. He has to do something for the team. They are 2 down. Shot taken beautifully. They are out of target. Don Bosco did not fill down. We are just into the first half. There's a lot of time for Don Bosco. You need not worry, but take the game cool and calm.
Ane hai ma khoyang JCB song. Ane hai ma khoyang JCB song tam khane kana.
Nice pass for just number 8 for JCB. Another one for
Maka wah mayo.
very lucky. Don Bosco just got lucky.
Yang Don Bosco tam khane kana, Don Bosco song tam khane kana. Don Bosco song tam khane kana.
Opportunity just missed. Let's see what the referee has to do.
Look maka mang này. Maka yang maka chance maka Don Bosco sang chance nang rima liya asik chance JCB sang yang matang khane kana
Don Bosco just got unlucky. Another one coming into the danger box. JCB trying to do something.
JCB sang kaham thong tongo
Nicely defended by DBS.
ane mako JCB sang
Don Bosco ni
kiri kanan thangna Tamkane kana yang JC Bisung Mangkwa. Oh, tikisan bagai.
Because they have enough time, you just need to change your strategy. JCBs are just lucky. They have done something the first half. Beautiful pass by jersey number 11. That's another one. Well defended by DBS. Nice one. JCB doing something. Step by step, just approaching the box. Nice one.
Mangkayang. Tamkane kana yang. Don Bosco Agortola tamkane kana.
Opportunity, nice one.
Jual ni yakong ball. Tamkane kana Jual. Anai JC Bisung yakong go.
What a beautiful game of football. Once again, just it was too soft. There was no power into the kick.
Yang go chance riano JC Bisung.
Peterson.
Beautiful one.
Hai JC Bisung Mangkwa.
Friends, they are very quiet, cool and calm. They have their own strategy thinking.
Hai Mangkwa JC Bisung tamkane kana.
Will be the winner.
Maka Jual dah.
JCB, once again, jersey number 9.
Yang Don Bosco.
Don Bosco.
Ana yang JC Bisung yakong tamkane kana. Mangka chance mangka baru tamkane kana.
Beautiful pass. What a beautiful JCB. You can see a small skill here. What a skill here.
Mangka chance mangka
Jersey number 3 JCB. Let's see what happens.
Kaya berlagay. Tamkane kana.
Once again, to jersey number 6, JCB. Nice pass, but well defended from DBS.
Ana hai JC Bisung Mangkwa.
3.
Kick bung yang gol khane gire.
There was no power into the shot.
Jual ni yakong go tamkane kana. Yang segitu ngayo. Ana hai JC Bisung yakong go tamkane kana bo. JC Bisung kaham tung tungo. Mangkwa chance Mangkwa. Oh, tadi saya kolong kiri sama kamu. Running kiri ya punya. Don Bosco sangnya.
Once again with JCB, jersey number 12. Beautiful pass, another one. They're taking the game very cool and calm. Don Bosco, they are just beaten. They are not sure what they are going to do next. But they need not feel down because there is plenty of time. And first half is still running. There another one. It's an offside.
Offside dong.
Nicely passed. Again the ball is with JCB. Oh, what a flick.
Mangko chance mangko. JCB sang chance mangko.
Again just over for JCB. He has been instrumental. That's the 2 shots taken.
Yang Don Bosco Agortola sang tam khane kena.
Oh, he just missed his friend. Just leave it for him. He has
Oh, running look.
something for his team. Oh yes, nice one. Just want to play run from DBS. Nicely gives back to his friend. Beautiful pass, DBS.
Don Bosco Agortola sang tam khane kena. Say na dapat. JCB sang yakongo.
Nicely cleared from DBS.
Mangka yang tam khane kena. Offside.
With this, we come to the first half of the second match of this event.
Yang JCB Agreka, yang Don Bosco Agortola 0.
What a beautiful game of football.
Don Bosco Agortola Sonia.
JCB
Chance.
gave us beautiful shots. Stadium is almost back. Kacha catch bhara hua.
Second half na di.
The second half starts.
Yang Sanjay Bong na nakha.
It's a beautiful one.
Oh, tekisan bagai. Chance tong ni Don Bosco song ni. Tekitcha.
Just missed.
Offside on the.
Nice pass, just number 9.
Yang offside.
It's a foul. The referee has an eye of an eagle. He will catch. Slightest foul will be caught.
Get inside. Give here. Don't call.
It's a nice pass. DBS.
You must wait for him. He cannot enter suddenly. Okay. You must wait for him, no? Rep.
Every footballers need to know. As a managing team, we
JCB sang tam khane kena. JCB sang mani tongo.
to beautify the game of football. Nicely taken. What a beautiful save from the goalkeeper of DBS. Now, jersey number 8 is too gentle. Jersey
Tam khane
number
kena tabuk
8
JCB sang.
from the Don Bosco was too gentle. What a lapro hit kick. Shot taken. Jersey number 9 from JCB.
JCB sang tam khane kena. Oh, tekisan bagai. Mana hai?
Just another careless kick from the defender of the DBS.
Chance mangko yang JCB sang chance mangko. 14 in.
Jersey
6 out.
14 in.
JCB
And
sang ya.
6 out. Another fresh energy. Change of guard from JCB. Rahul Roy. He was the mastermind behind last year's 8 members entry into the semi-final. What a pass! What a beautiful pass! But cleanly given. Beautiful, beautiful. JCB have come up with a beautiful strategy. And DBS seems to be just beaten, but there's plenty of time. Time is ticking. What a clearance! What a clearance!
Maka yang JCB Sung Maka. Hadap ke. Apa na? JCB Sung Maka. Hadap ke. Apa na? Apa.
What a shot it was!
Oh, Joel.
JCB.
Joel goal likhai ka.
They are uncontrollable.
Joel likhar Joel na to norok. Bani khela to nokna waisa. Podo nogro.
This is another one. We could see beautiful game of football. Somehow there seems to be unlucky this second innings. Beautiful, beautiful one. DBS are just beaten. There seems to be nowhere because the strategy of JCB is simply
JCB Sung Tam khane kana.
DBS cannot take JCB for a ride, but DBS, you have plenty of time. You can go home, empty bag. You need to do something for the team.
Out.
Beautiful game of football we can see from both the teams. The ball is with DBS.
Ana yang JCB Sung Maka. Tam khane kana. JCB Sung Maka. JCB Sung Maka. JCB Sung Maka. JCB Sung Maka. Joel ni thangkan ke bo asal miss khaya se Joel. Ting tongo Joel.
Once again, it's just number 10.
Jersey number 10 Joel Deborma.
JCB.
Yang Don Bosco Agartala ngoi. Change ka yang 7 in. Head out.
Substitute jersey number 7 in.
Hai tam khane kana.
Jersey number 9. No ball goes through the defense line of JCB. They have a well strategy in place. Once again, the ball is with JCB. JRC number 16. He wants to show his skill, but taken away, snatched away. Wondering how to stop JCB.
pass khai thung dong go chance Riman Boro thangai
Once again, the ball is with JCB. Jason Bernard dribbling around. The ball is with DBS, but unfortunately, snatched away.
time fighting dong
2 additional minutes.
2 minutes
2 additional minutes in favor of DBS. Surely for DBS, they have to do something. This is an announcement for Don Bosco boys. The band members, please go to the school.
2 minutes
Please go to the school hall
2 minutes tong siu tabuk
for the
tang sai mana
practice.
kena last 2 minutes Manghoyang
He's on his way to hat-trick. Oh, he missed.
Abul Malia
He misses out his opportunity.
Ana JCB song makha
Shot taken just by just number 16.
oh
Shot out. The podium is meant for VIPs. We can see some of our students sitting there. Seriously sitting there. We have important people in front of you. Ex-MLS sitting here. Just number 10, he's taking his opportunity for his hat-trick. Just number 10, taking his hat-trick. And the whistle goes. He just misses his opportunity.
JCB song winner ka borok third round
What a beautiful game of football.
ke
DBS.
Don Bosco Agartala song try ke kono borok gol khai malia
Like it today.
kaham thangka Joel kaham thangka ting dongo nong team ekdom kaham thangko